Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In previous session, we show what is CI/CD in GitLab. Now, today we are going to learn about branching and merging. So, today we will learn what branches are exactly in Git, how to create branch, how to check out branch, how to merge branch to master, and then we will see how to delete branch. So, let's get started. What branches are in Git. So whenever you want to do some changes in your code or you want to add some new features in your application, it is not recommended that you do all the changes in the main branch, right? Or the master branch, right? It is recommended that you create a new branch for yourself, check out that branch and do all the changes in that branch. And after testing and validating everything in is working fine, we merge those changes in the main branch. So that's why we create branches in Git. So now we are going to see how do we create branches. We will check out a branch. We will merge the branch to the main branch with which is master, and then we will also see how can we delete a branch both from local as well as from the remote. So just to begin, let me go to my GitHub account. So here in our project, as you can see, we have two branches, master and main. Here we are in our master branch, which is default branch. So now our first step will be creating a new branch. So let's go to our terminal or git base. So here in my terminal or git base, and I have done with the changing of file location of our project folder. So now for creating a branch, command will be git branch and then whatever name we want to give. So I will say my new branch, and it has created a new branch, but I am still on the master branch on my local, so I have to check out. So to start working on the new branch, I have to check out it. Okay, so our next step will be check out branch. Okay, and the command is git checkout and the branch name. Okay, so I'll say my new branch, and now our local is on the new branch. Now whatever changes I make here on my project folder will go to the new branch. Now if I go to my GitLab, as you can see, still we have two branches, main and master, which is default, right? Because I have not changed anything and pushed the branch yet, that's why it is still showing only two branches. So here let us do some changes because we have already checked out our branch. Let me add a new file. So I will say touch test2.txt, and this is added here. Okay, now let us see git status now. Yes, and we have to add it, right? So I will say git add and simply dot. This will add file for staging. Now we have to commit it, right? So I will say git commit -m, and here commit message. So I will say added test2.txt. So the commit is now done. Okay, so if you see git status now, everything is clean, but we still have to push it, right? So I will say git push origin or URL, then my new branch. And after this, the branch should be visible on the remote repository. So this is done. So let us go to our account. Yes, you can see now we have three branches. Now let me click on our new branch. Here you can see test2.txt file, but if I go to my master branch, I will not see that file because it is still not merged with the master branch. Okay, so our next step will be merge new branch in the master branch. So if you have seen my previous video, then you know how we can merge manually, but this time we will merge using commands. So let's see. Now first we have to check out master branch, and now here I will say for merging, here I will say git merge and our new branch name, which is my new branch. And as you can see, now it is merged, but still it will not be visible in our GitLab account because we not yet push the changes, right? So let's again use push command, and after this both our branches should be equivalent and merged. So let's see. So as you can see, it is added in master branch as well. So this is how we can create and merge branch. And now suppose the purpose for which we have created this new branch is over, and we have done the changes and we have validated and pushed the changes and merged the changes to master now. So we no longer need this branch, right? So we will need to delete this branch. So for that, what do we do to delete branch? I will say git branch hyphen or minus d and the branch name, which is my branch. So now this will delete only from your local. So if you will go to your GitLab, you will still see the branch there. So now for deleting branch from remote, I will say git push origin or URL, and then we have to say hyphen hyphen or minus minus delete and our branch name. So yes, it is showing delete. Now here in our GitLab, you can see now we have only two branches. So this is how we can create branches, merge branches, and then delete branches. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you all guys enjoying this series. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.